Hello students, now I am going to do the problems in a complex variable 1 in a module 1 in the subject complex analysis, probability and statistical methods. It's a tutorial class. Already I explained about the type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 problems. In all that few problems I am going to discuss here. The first problem will be like this. Given that f of z is equals to x cube into 1 plus I minus y cube into 1 minus I divided by x square plus y square, if z is not equals to 0. If z equals to 0 means that value will be a 0. Show that f of z satisfies CR equations at the origin given. So this is what the question. We have to prove that CR equation is satisfied at the origin. So clearly they given f of z is 0 when z equals to 0. Z equals to 0 means u and then v both are 0 at x is 0 and y is 0 is nothing. So u and v both are 0 means of course ux, uy, vx, vy all the term will become a 0. So f of z equals to 0 when z equals to 0 means it is a analytic function at the origin. Clearly we can do the proof of this thing. So but we have to prove this in terms of the basic definition of the partial derivatives. Let f of z they defined for z is not equals to 0 means they defined like this: x cube into 1 plus I minus y cube into 1 minus I divided by x square plus y square at the origin means f of z, sure we are getting the value is 0 by 0 form. It means indeterminate form we are getting. So we have to find out this with the help of the basic definition of partial derivatives. So first we can define f of z. You just separate the real part and then imaginary part. That is u can be written as x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square, and v is x cube plus y cube divided by x square plus y square. So we got the real part and then imaginary part. U and v value we got it. Now we'll find out ux with the basic definition of the partial derivatives. The definition will be like this: limit as a del x tends to 0, u of x plus del x comma y minus u of x comma y divided by del x. Ux of 0 comma 0 at the origin means 0 comma 0. So limit has a del x tends to 0. In place of x and y you just substitute as 0. So u of del x comma 0 minus u of 0 comma 0 that divided by del x. Limit has del x tends to 0. Del x whole cube divided by del x whole square minus 0. Denominator already one del x is there. So del x cube divided by del x cube both the term will get cancelled. The solution of ux equals to 1. Similarly we have to find out uy. The definition will be limit has del y tends to 0, u of x comma y plus del y minus u of x comma y that divided by del y. So uy of 0 comma 0 at the origin which is equals to limit del y tends to 0, u of 0 comma del y minus u of 0 comma 0 divided by del y. Limit has del y tends to 0 minus del y whole cube by del y whole square minus 0 divided by del y. On simplification we are getting the value of uy is minus 1. Now we'll find out the value of vx. That is limit as del x tends to 0, v of x plus del x comma y minus v of x comma y divided by del x. Vx of 0 comma 0 which is equals to limit del x tends to 0, v of del x comma 0 minus v of 0 comma 0 that divided by del x. So vx can be written as limit as del x tends to 0, del x cube divided by del x square minus 0 divided by del x. Here also both numerator denominator will get cancelled. We are getting the value of vx as 1. Now we'll find out the last one, that is vy. Limit del y tends to 0. The basic definition will be v of x comma y plus del y minus v of x comma y divided by del y. So vy at the origin means 0 comma 0 can be written as limit del y tends to 0, v of 0 comma del y minus v of 0 comma 0 that divided by del y. Limit has a del y tends to 0, del y whole cube by del y square minus 0 that divided by del y. Both numerator and denominator will get cancelled. We are getting the value of Vy is 1. So now the CR equation is satisfied, that is ux equals to Vy and Vx equals to minus Uy. So this CR equation is satisfied at the origin. This is what they asked us to prove. So we got the result. Now we'll see the next problem. Determine the analytic function whose real part is y plus e to the power x that into cos y. Here real part is nothing but u value they given as y plus e to the power x into cos y. So here they asked us to find out the analytic function. It means f of z we have to find out. Okay, u value they given means first we have to find out ux and uy. So ux is 0 plus e to the power x into cos y. That is on simplification we can write e to the power x into cos y, and uy is 1 minus e to the power x into sin y. We know that f dash of z is nothing but ux plus I into vx. With the help of CR equation vx equals to minus uy, this f dash of z can be written as ux minus I into uy. Now both the value ux and uy we can substitute in this equation. So f dash of z can be written as e to the power x into cos y minus I into 1 minus e to the power x into sin y. So now you just put x equals to z and y equals to 0. On simplification, this f dash of z can be written as e to the power z minus I. So on integration with respect to z, this f dash of z can be written as f of z equals to integration e to the power z minus I with respect to z plus some integral constant, take that as c. So f of z is e to the power z minus I into z plus c. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the next problem. If f of z is equals to u of r comma theta plus I into v of r comma theta is analytic, and given that u plus v equals to 1 by r square cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, r is not equals to 0. Determine the analytic function f of z. So here clearly they given f of z, they define in terms of polar form, and they given that it is an analytic function, and the equation they given u plus v in terms of r and theta they given, and they asked us to find out f of z. This is what the question. Okay, now the given equation u plus v can be written as 1 by r square cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. You just do the differentiation with respect to r partially. You just do that, so that we are getting ur plus vr, which is equals to minus 2 by r cube into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. You just take this as equation number 1. Next, do the differentiation is with respect to theta partially you just do, so that we are getting u theta plus v theta, which is equals to 1 by r square minus 2 sin theta minus 2 into cos 2 theta. You just take this as equation number 2. From CR equations we have ur is nothing but 1 by r into v theta, and vr means minus 1 by r into u theta. So equation number 2 can be written as minus r vr plus r into ur can be written as minus 2 by r square sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. So here 1r you just take it as a common and move to that side, negative term will get cancelled, so that we can simplify this equation can be written as ur minus vr, which is equals to minus 2 by r cube sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Take this as equation number 3. Now we can solve that equation 1 and 3, so that we are getting the value of 2 into ur. So this equation will become 2 equation and then 2 unknowns. Easily we can find out the solution of that 2 unknowns. That is 2 into ur can be written as minus 4 by r cube into cos 2 theta. 2 ones are 2 twos are will get cancelled. So ur can be written as minus 2 by r cube that into cos 2 theta, and vr. In that equation you just substitute the solution of ur. On simplification we can write vr as 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. Now we got the value of ur and also vr. These two solutions substitute in the formula. f dash of z is equals to e to the power minus I theta ur plus I into vr. So now ur and vr you have to substitute, and the equation will become e to the power minus I theta minus 2 by r cube cos 2 theta plus I into 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. You just put r equals to z and theta equals to 0. This implies f dash of z, which is equals to e power z, that into minus 2 by z cube cos 2 theta. Sorry, in place of theta we have to substitute 0. It means cos 0 plus I into 2 by r cube into sin 0. Sin 0 means that is 0, cos 0 will be 1. So f dash of z will become minus 2 by r cube. You just do the integration is with respect to z we have to do. So f of z can be written as minus 2 into integration of 1 by r cube dz plus c, which is equals to minus 2 that into 1 by minus 2 into z square. Minus 2 will get cancelled, so that we are getting f of z is, which is equals to 1 by z square plus c. This is what our required solution. So thank you.